If you've been dreaming about life on the water, your time has come. Presenting this 2004 Larson 260 Cabrio full cabin cruiser, a 26-foot express cabin cruiser that's turnkey and ready to enjoy straight away. It's powered by a MerCruiser 350 MAG MPI V8 engine installed in 2021 and only used for 30 hours since installation. On board you'll find sleeping for 4 people, a full galley with fridge, microwave and stove, bathroom with toilet and shower, a cockpit wet bar, swim platform and a Furuno chart plotter. It comes with a towable Aluminium Dolly trailer and over $12,000 in recent work spent on the vessel, including a major service, new hot water system, new batteries and new canvas covers. This beauty goes under the hammer on Saturday the 2nd of May at 12 p.m. This is river cruising, coastal adventures and overnight stays all in one package waiting for you. Visit lloydsauctions.com.au and bid now.